Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. So we're going to be doing a little bit of maintenance to the car today. It's not a big thing, but it's something that I definitely suggest you do. This is the cabin filter. Now, it's something that a lot of people overlook just because A, they don't know it's there, or B, they forget about it. For me, last time I changed this was at 17,000 miles. Currently I'm at 31, so you know it's good to check it every 10 to 15,000 miles. You'll be amazed how dirty this really gets. So I'm gonna go ahead, show you exactly where it's located in the car, and then we'll compare so you can see just how dirty it actually is, because this is a brand new one. But here's the part number if you guys are interested in getting one for your 15 plus STI. I don't know if this fits other years. You have to do your research and check just to make sure, but I know this fits the 15 plus WRX or STI. It's the same exact thing, but that is the part number that you will need. So let's get in the car, I'll show you exactly where it's located, and then we'll compare and pop it in. So the cabin filter is located exactly where you would expect, in the cabin. It's actually located in the glove box. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the glove box down, pull it out, and there's a little slot at the top, which I will show you, and then you just simply slide it out. So it's very simple. It doesn't take a lot of time or money. The filter alone, I think was about $10 to $15. I'll link it below. I forgot how much I paid, but it was around there. I just got it on Amazon and I got it in a few days, and it's really simple to do. So let's pop the old one out. I'll show you just where you need to look, and then we'll compare. All right, so we got the glove box actually out of the car. It's very simple. You simply just remove it from the little hydraulic here, and then you push in the sides, and then it comes right out. It's you know, nothing too complicated. There's no screws. It's very simple. So it's literally right here, as you can see. It says push, but all you want to do, it's hard to do it one-handed, but you want to pinch these little tabs here, pull it right out, and here we go. All right, so as you saw, we got the cabin filter out. You can tell it's pretty dirty. This is actually, you know, you're breathing this air in. It's very important to change this out every, 10 to 15,000 miles. And it's, like I said, you saw how simple it was to take it out and get to it. There's no screws involved. It's literally pulling the glove box out and then pulling the filter out. It's super simple, so definitely recommend it, and it's not expensive. But as you can see, this is absolutely filthy. This is what a brand new one looks like. That's the back. That's the back. So if you guys are curious, you don't really know about this, this is actually the filter, what's coming through your vents, your air conditioning, your heat, your HVAC basically. So anything, this catches all, the dirty grime coming from the outside. So once this is dirty, you're kind of breathing this disgusting air in. Granted, I know it's a car and you open your windows and everything like that. It's not like a house. But it's, again, really important to do that, and you want to make sure you're breathing clean air, especially if you have kids and everything. You don't want them breathing that in. Definitely a big difference, definitely something you should do. It's cheap enough, and yeah, it's a fun little maintenance mod that not a lot of people remember to do. All right, so let's go ahead and pop the new one in. This one is obviously garbage, you can't use it anymore. All you gotta do is take the new one, bring it over to your glove box area, and simply just slide it right back in the hole, and then these clips will clip in, and you're all set. One thing I actually forgot that I did is actually one of the first mods. If you look under here, this panel right here, it actually doesn't come stock on. I don't know if they changed in 18, in 2018 plus, but I know in the 15 to 17, the STIs, this panel's not here. And when the panel's not there, this is like the AC, the HVAC and everything, you actually hear a winding noise. Just an annoying air kind of winding, whistling kind of noise. And this is actually, I think from the BRZ, I forget. But either way, it's a panel, it's about 40 bucks. I'll link it below if you guys are interested. And it literally just pops right on and it completely eliminates that noise. I don't know why Subaru didn't include that on the STI. It's, it's such a cheap part. I don't know why they didn't put that on there, but I mean, I guess to cut costs, but either way, definitely something cool to do. And I actually completely forgot I did that, but I realized once I took this off when I saw it. So definitely something cool that not a lot of people know about, and it will definitely cut down on the in-cabin noise when you have your air on or your heat or anything like that. So, so yeah, check that out. I'll link it below. we're done. We got the cabin filter replaced. I'm just gonna check the mileage here for my own records, 31,034. I can update my records so I know, in 10 to 15,000 miles I'll change it again. I actually got one more thing with the cabin filter. This is the mirror toggle dial, whatever you call it. This is like a little cap that goes over it. It's really nice. It's just pressure fitted. It's just a little bit nicer than the stock one, so I figure I might as well throw this in the video because I'm not gonna make a whole video just on this, but cool little touch. I'm not really crazy about chrome. It doesn't really have much on it, but I mean, it'll match the door handles and everything. But it's a nice little touch because it's kind of like a gloss black, and that's kind of like the theme in here. I got rid of all the silver and all that. So let's throw this on, see how this thing looks, and then yeah, we'll wrap up this video. So this is what it looks like. It's got some nice texture. It's made out of metal, I think. It's not plastic, so that's nice. It's got a little bit of chrome, not a big deal. And I think it will flow nice with the handle. But I believe you just simply, yep, there we go. Nothing too exciting, but it makes the whole entire dial feel a little bit more luxurious, I guess, a little more premium. And it clicks a little bit better. I don't know, just a nice little touch, nothing crazy. It was pretty cheap. I think it was only like $10 or something like that. Actually, that's pretty expensive. I think it was a little bit more than that. But I don't know, I picked it up. I figured might as well. It's been in my shopping cart for a while, so I figured might as well just pick it up while I'm doing these little tiny things around the car. Yeah, guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in on this little maintenance video. I really don't do too many of these, but I figured I might as well make a video because I was doing it anyway. So I figured I'd film it, make it kind of like a DIY tutorial reminder kind of video for you. So make sure you change your cabin filters. I'm sure they're filthy. It's a very cheap maintenance thing to do, so go ahead, pick it up. Click the links below if you are interested in picking one up. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. In the meantime, keep it clean, keep it simple. I'll catch you in the next one.